What's up, guys? Good morning. It's Dakota, back with another video, back with another live stream, a live look at the market, basically my personal analysis on the market. I really appreciate you guys hopping on. If you guys have any questions at all, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that live chat. Also, if you have any pairs that you want me to go over, go ahead, put it in the live chat or the Discord channel. I will go over them after I go through my personal review. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into this. First off, Euro USD. Euro USD, can obviously see what I'm waiting on right there. And let me go ahead and delete this so we can have a cleaner look at the market. And let's delete this trend line since it's going through candles. So right now what I'm seeing is price formed a reversal pattern here. It broke out impulsively, and now we have a possible continuation pattern right here. Now we're still waiting for this to break down. Just gotta wait for that to actually give us a major push, and then react accordingly. All right. Yeah. So price could possibly keep on, give us one more touch here and then push up to here one more time, possibly forming a head and shoulders. And then what I would like it to do is push down, okay? But of course it could push through that zone, give us a continuation pattern to the upside and just continue pushing up to that monthly level or higher, right? But yeah, but I'm going to be waiting for this break of this trend line and still waiting for that sell. Let's go to USHEF. USHEF, I have two entries on USHEF, and pretty much the inverted of the euro dollar. Like right here, we had a descending channel previously here, reversal pattern on this daily level. And once it broke up, caught a buy here, and price at TP here. And price came down to a major Fibonacci level where I entered again because we had major support here as well, or support that was respected several times. And if we zoom in, we can see we've actually been getting long wicks in this area as well. So I'm looking for price to reject off this area. Right now what we're forming is another reversal pattern, but I would like this to be a little bit steeper. I would be more confident in it if it was a little bit more steeper, I should say. But other than that, yeah, I'm looking for price to respect this base level here pretty much. So if I get an engulfing candle over the next two candles, I would pretty much confirm that level as a level where I should continue buying from. Let's continue. Those are really the only two I'm paying attention to this week. GJ is honestly another pair that I've been interested in. It hasn't hit my alert, so that's why it hasn't really been added to my active trading list and substituted for one of the ones that I haven't entered yet, like Euro USD. But I would like to see price push up to my alert and then sell off from that zone. Actually, I know I already have this marked up on a different, I think it's FXCM. Yeah, but I wanted to retrace to 38.2 right there and then give me a sell opportunity. 38.2, almost the 50. And UJ is in a buying area, just waiting for a buy pattern, right? And then that would basically be our confirmation for that. And our confirmation would be just an entry pattern on a lower time frame pretty much. And obviously if this 4 hour is a weak bearish candle, It's another confirmation for that. All right, let's go to I believe I sent out something for UCAD and UCHEF. Again, guys, if there's any questions you have, go ahead, type it in the live chat. Also, if there are any pairs you want me to go over, you know what to do. UCAD. Okay, so UCAD, I didn't take this. Was looking for a buy here simply because we had this trend line break. All right, and there's a demand zone right here. Price gave us an impulse. Now it's moving correctly down, but right now what we see is the strong impulse will move down, this corrective pattern here. So price could come a little bit lower before actually doing that, forming a larger correction here. So it comes down at least to here, possibly to this level. Yeah, anywhere between this area pretty much is still an area that I'm looking to buy at, but looking for a price to push down within this zone one more time. Okay, I see there are no pairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up with gold and NAS. Do 2 quick looks at those. Let me check the Discord as well. Okay, so gold. It's scaling up pretty slowly still. I extended the trend line because price pretty much broke that descending channel it had here and it's looking to continue up. Trend line still hasn't been broken impulsively. Price has been respecting this level here. And I believe, do I still have the entry? I do not have the entry on here anymore. Our entries, I believe, right here at this level that price has been respecting for a minute so far. So what we're doing is basically looking at this smaller uptrend here. Looking for price to make it impulse up. Give us another small correction and then just continue. But if we go to the scale right here, if we go right here, like we can see we have a downtrend that's been respected so far, and what I would like to see is that downtrend actually broken with that possible impulse there. In order for me to keep buying, that trend line has to like break. If it doesn't break, then turn around to sell off the break of the trend lines. Obviously wait for the break of the trend lines, wait for a setup. last but not least, Nas. Now Nas, I have not been trading, just keeping up with it for the person that asked about it a few weeks ago. Now I did used to trade Nas a lot, and I used to trade on the 15 and 5 minute time frame. Well, 1 hour, 15 and 5 minute time frame, and just trade for a few hours of it. But basically what we were looking at is we saw price came down to here, and we're looking for price to buy up and pot, and actually looking for it to go back up to this area up here. So we can see as price got down here, it started scaling down or trickling down, so basically creating a reversal pattern. We also have a double bottom there, and that double bottom basically started our reversal. Hold on, let me make sure it meets my requirements. Actually, it doesn't meet my personal requirements for a double bottom, so I mean, personally, I wouldn't call it that, or I shouldn't call it that. But nevertheless, still looking for a reversal here, and we got it. Now I remember last time I was looking for a correction to come down to this zone to form an inverted head and shoulders here, and we can see it never came back down to that zone, and price is still just scaling up. So I know typically if you're looking at this pair, you're probably, or if you're looking at this index, you're probably not really looking for a swing move. I wouldn't expect anybody to like sleep on this pair, but so you can go down to like the lower time frames, look for a smaller setup pattern that can get you in. AUD NZD, I got you. So like, and to close this up, like there's no, I have to wait for something a whole lot cleaner, a whole lot better. And that's pretty much all we got right now. I need a clear impulse and a clear correction, a clear pattern. Possibly on the 15 minute it will be clear. Alright, AUD NZD. Alright, going to be doing a, well, we don't necessarily have to. Okay, so looking for price to break down impulsively, give us a correction, and then continue down. The first level I'll look for it to come down to is right here in this area is what I'm liking right now. Yeah, the area that I would like it to come down to is right here. If it breaks out. Any other pairs? And last week on this, I mean, well, forget last week. Also, like on this right here, it's already started a downtrend. Like the only thing that it hasn't done is broken this trend line here that I would like it to. If I base my trend line off something shorter, like that trend, there's several possible entries. And this is just the final confirmation to like finally confirm that downtrend for me. Alright guys, since there are no more requests, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the call. Appreciate you guys hopping on again. If you guys have any questions for me personally, you can hit me up on the Telegram group chat, or not Telegram, but Discord group chat. Link to that is in the description. Also, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe so you can keep up with the videos. I'll catch you guys later.